In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ArcTan Oscillator in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView account and you've got a chart open. It can be any market you like: stocks, forex, crypto, or indices. Once your chart is up on the screen, focus your attention on the top of the platform where the main toolbar is located. Near the top of the chart, you'll see a button labeled Indicators. This is where all the built-in indicators, community scripts, and your own saved tools live. Go ahead and click on the Indicators button. This will open a panel or window that overlays your chart, showing several tabs and a search field. Inside this Indicators panel, look for the search box at the top. This box lets you quickly find any indicator by typing its name, instead of scrolling through long lists. Click directly into that search box so your cursor is blinking and ready for text input. Now, start typing ArcTan Oscillator into the search field. Type it carefully and give TradingView a second to load the results. As you type, you should see a list of matching indicators appear below the search bar. When you see ArcTan Oscillator show up in the results list, simply click on it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your current chart. After you click it, close the indicators window so you can clearly see your chart again. You should now notice a new panel, usually below your main price chart, displaying the ArcTan Oscillator. It will typically look like a line or waveform that moves above and below a central level. If you don't see it right away, scroll down a bit on your chart area or check that it hasn't been minimized. At this point, the oscillator is successfully added. You can hover over its name on the left side of the panel to access settings, change colors, or adjust inputs to match your trading style. Feel free to experiment with the visual settings so it's easy on your eyes and fits the color scheme of your chart. If you're using or planning to use TradingView Pro, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it ensures you get the full Pro experience, which often includes more indicators on a single chart, faster data, and a smoother workflow while using tools like the ArcTan Oscillator.